Romeich buys a car for one of his favorite employee. Shenseea comments on Jada Kingdom page. Full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yes, people. So once again, Romeich did it. You know how Romeich treat film team and film workers them. You saw me and say everybody have to be taken care of, and everybody once you give him what him need to make the thing work. You know what I mean? To make Team Romeich stay in motion. Always reward you good, and that's just my take on it. Like that's just what I see I go on pan the net. You see me, I always see the generosity over that side, and it trickle down from Ramesh to people who also associated with him, like we see Shenseea buy our friend a car also, you know, and Ramesh him started, so you know him will continue, so he bought one of his workers a car. But before me get into that, more of a show, no, something I missed yesterday. You know, yesterday I made a video about Jada saying that she not for no longer hide and sing Shenseea song them when she got, right? But then me later find out say Jada they post a picture and Shenseea come over there and comment. You see what I say? And this is significant because she posts and she say, #1 trending girl. Which you know that's a title of Shenseea song or a line from Shenseea song. The song is trending girl, but #1 trending girl is the actual full line from the song. So Shenseea come over there and respond to it. So you can see say Jada Kingdom say, real #1 trending girl, hashtag ESQ, right? And then Shenseea respond to it and say talk truth, hashtag trending girls, right? So, yeah, I'm glad for see the piece I go on all. You see me? Hope this lasts forever. Alright. So, I just want to show you that also. But we're going to get into the Romeich story. I'm going to show you the video they have, and we're going to show you who he bought the car for. Okay? But before that, I want to show you something real quick. I want to talk about the artist real quick. It will take real quick. It's not going to take long. And then we'll get into that story. Alright. So people, the artist named Talis from out of New York, and he have a song where just a mash up the place right now in New York. You see me I say. So the song named Easy Peasy, and it's produced by Blackout. You see me? So me I go show you one little clip of one performance so him do a ding dong birthday party at Amazura, New York, and the man shell along the place with the song. You see what I say? So let us watch this real quick, and then we'll get into the Romeich story. Alright?
The building now. And I sign him Easy Peasy, I run with it, car road. You hear that? That one I name. Yo, Blackout. You know, we're outside that one I hide. All of the real girl is stepping at the building, pick up yourself. You know, 228 when they're from Bronx. Me say whenever you use Gucci, if you get the girl Gucci. Never use a man if you get no punani. Never use designer if you get no vagina. Me never pull up that box up, you know, like this. Only while we're outside here, running. Hold on. Bobby Candace and Jabba, Trackstar. Tell them we are run with it, yeah? Hold on. I'm a talk to you now. Because some boys say them are galleys. But I close them use. You see, I'm a founder of Amazura. I left straight from a black like this. Because when I'm frightened to people, never me dark, me say we never use Gucci to get the girl Gucci. Never use a man if you get no punani. Never use designer if you get no vagina. We never use Louis V. Over here so, we get girl easy, easy peasy. Blackout, believe me, Lord, come for us, God.
So this full clip is posted on my Instagram at Dancehall IG, and also I'm going to put one link in the comment section so you can watch it. It's about 2 minutes, you know what I mean? So let's get into the Romeich story, people. So if you follow Dancehall IG long enough, you know some make tons of video on Romeich. I do a generous act, or anybody from Team Romeich. So me I say Shenseea, I give our friend a car, you know what I mean, whenever anybody birthday, gift them what them buy, me do video upon Romeich, I give Raj like tons and tons of toys for his birthday, all kind of stuff. You see what I say, them just generous over there. So I'm a respect that, I'm a rate that. That's something I admire about Team Romeich and Romeich himself. You see me I say, the generosity. Once you get from the people, you should give back to the people. And in this case, you know what I mean, him feel like one of his worker give him a lot, so he gave her a car. So we are going to play the clip, and then we are going to see what go on. You see what I say? All right, check this out.
Hi, Jade. You love me?
Yes.
There's a new car. Watch it out. Just watch your water come. For being a great worker, I bought you that car, okay? 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 So you can look for your man them now. I tell you, it's a car brought down and you can't come and work on time. Watch it, watch it. Look at your no one bother with the fake cry. Watch the fake cry will come down.
You're a big man, man. Stop bad.
Yeah, you're a big bad man. Tuck up, man. Watch it, watch it. What happened to Ramesh? What happened to you? Peaches and cream. So you don't look happy at 10 seconds left, you know? So what are you crying for? No, we don't want to hug. Come on, you're going to use the car and look.
So yes, people, no can say Romeich bought a car for Jade, and that's Jade that used to work at Zip, and it looked like she work for Romeich full time now. Now, I don't know if that's a fact. I don't know if she still work at Zip or nothing, but more than likely I saw it look, as some feel like a Romeich I see her with most of the time, so I feel like that's where she work now, right? So yeah, on Instagram you can find her at Jade the Gem. You see me, and check out her page if you don't know who she is, right? But Jade try to tell Romeich thanks, and look what Romeich go on with.
Me there say a ball still. And you just now accept the little thanks and the little hug up and the little something. What do you?
Make sure you should work early.
That's all you business for.
I will call you today.
Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you.
No, yeah, anything.
Thank you, Ramesh.
You're welcome. How are you, Balfa? You get big if you go look the whole of your man them now. I like crosses man them where you take at 42 years old. But the work no come, we have things to do. Go and do your work.
Yeah, man, big up Ramesh and Team Ramesh. We like how them live over this year, see me. But anyway, Jade did post and made an official thank you. You see me, I said to Ramesh. So she posted on her Instagram and she said, I couldn't possibly find enough words to thank you for this, Ramesh. You make me good ball, like ball. This means more to me than I can ever explain. I can't stop ball. Ramesh, thank you so much. I don't work hard expecting anything in return, and I will never stop giving my all to this company and to you. I genuinely love and appreciate you so much. Thank you, at Romeich, my general, my boss. And him also replied to it and him say, rules for a car. Reach work on time. If me send you out, make sure get my goods and stop saying no or maybe. Oh, next thing, make 2 pickup for me. You see me? And he put some silent emoji. You know that little emoji there. Yeah, man. But big up Ramesh and big up Jade. We love to see that. You see what I say? That just make me feel like I'm inspired. You know what I mean? One day, hopefully, a friend give me a car or I can give a friend a car. You see what I say? I'm really inspired. Really and truly. You see me? Like them kind of thing, yeah. So Jada look name for give her a car. If you not can help her out, put some in the comment section and tell her what you think she should call the car. You see me? So watch this.
I know. Hi, baby. What should I name her? Thank you again, Ramesh. What should I name her, guys? It's a girl. Congrats, it's a girl. What should I name her?
So yes, people, that brings us to the end of the video. And if you're on this channel for the first time and you watch this video and you like it, you know what I mean, and you want to subscribe, please subscribe for daily updates. And for all the long time subscriber that's been here and been, you know what I mean, supporting, I really appreciate you and thank you. All right.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.
people, so the great Franco, every week we send him the file them and say him not get them. Cause he might tell we now say him not get salary with him. I mean, no Jade send him.
People are run all the way from Ligony, from Air Security.
Boy,